iOS 26.3. New features you can use right now. iOS 26.3 is officially out, and it's not just another small bug fix update. Apple has quietly added improvements that actually change how your iPhone feels day to day. From better battery performance to smoother animations and important security fixes. Here's everything new in iOS 26.3 that you can use right now. Let's get into it. 1. Performance improvements. First up, performance. Apple focused heavily on system stability in iOS 26.3. If you experienced random app crashes, keyboard lag, or stuttering animations in 26.2, this update smooths things out. Users are reporting faster app launching, smoother scrolling in Safari and social media apps, improved multitasking performance. On newer devices like iPhone 15 and 16 series, the system feels more optimized. Even older supported models are seeing improved responsiveness. 2. Battery optimization. Battery life is another area Apple addressed. iOS 26.3 includes background process optimization, meaning fewer apps drain power when you're not using them. Some early users are noticing less overnight battery drain, more stable screen on time, reduced overheating during charging. It's not a dramatic battery boost, but it's more consistent and stable. 3. Security updates. Now this is important. iOS 26.3 includes multiple security patches. Apple fixed vulnerabilities related to WebKit, system kernel access, and privacy protections. Even if you don't care about new features, updating for security alone is highly recommended. 4. Minor feature tweaks and fixes. There are also smaller improvements. Bluetooth connection stability improved. CarPlay connection fixes. Notification glitches resolved. Face ID reliability tweaks. Improved widget refresh timing. Nothing flashy but noticeable in daily use. Should you update? If you're already on iOS 26, yes, update. If you're running an older version and everything works perfectly, you can wait a few days to monitor feedback. But overall, iOS 26.3 is stable and safe to install. Have you updated to iOS 26.3 yet? Did you notice better battery life or smoother performance? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more Apple updates and iPhone tips.